about to get up and go out. It is not good weather today. It's raining outside, but I still got some business that I need to take care of. So follow along with me as I go through my day. And for anybody who's new, welcome to Life with Marlene. I am a Florida vlogger and I share my life, my story, and the things that I'm going through. So I would love, if you are not subscribed to this channel, to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And to everybody, all my returning gems, thank you so much for supporting this channel. And let's get on the road and get in today's vlog. Keep watching. Blue skies and out with your sister.
Nothing like it.
There's nothing in the world like spending time with your sister.
Nothing like it.
Nothing like it. Right, sister?
You got it, sister. I think she just went to go see somebody.
Look at all the wines.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Ha ha. You're gonna be on the vlog. They're gonna see that too. What do you have to say? Say hi to the vlog.
Olive Garden is very good. Thank you. chicken Alfredo.
Let's eat our two favorite rolls. This one looks good. Tour of Italy. I think that's what I want.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
You want yours all the way across?
Yes, all the way across, please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I have to put that video on the whole.
It's such a beautiful day in the park. And look at this view. Can you guys believe this? How pretty it is in April. Look at the water right there. And y'all know I love the palm trees. This is what I wanted to show you guys. This. thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys in the comment section, and stay tuned for this vlog's inspiration. Bye guys.